All right, we were lucky enough to get one of the premium packs. I guess there were not very many that were able to get it since there were over 180,000, I think, trying to go for it. I got the kids with me, so here we go. You ready?
I want you to open it.
Oh, sorry. I'll let you hit the first one.
Okay. I open it?
Not yet. All right, I don't know which one is the MGLE. If it's going to show us, go ahead and click it. First up, Common Dunk, Sabonis. All right. Next up. Oh, 255, Steph Curry. Wow. That is a big one. I think we hit the jackpot with this this MGLE. 255 is a good number too. Woo! Good pick, Hendon. Next up, three-pointer Lonzo Ball. His price has been increasing recently. Next up, Vucevic. I think he made the All-Star in the reserves, so he's been climbing a little bit. A pretty good player. And last one. Brian, you want to do it? There we go. David Nwaba. All right, well, at 12,000, that's always nice to get. Those are extra limited and first appearance for, I think, all of them, which should get a badge eventually. But, yeah, this is a huge pack with that Steph Curry, and hopefully you guys had some good luck, too. See you next video.